In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your routing number in the Truist Bank app. This process is straightforward, so let's walk through it together to ensure you know exactly what to do. First, you need to have the Truist Bank app installed on your mobile device. If you haven't already, you can download it from your device's app store. Once that's taken care of, go ahead and open the app. Now you'll see the sign-in screen. Here you'll need to carefully enter your unique user ID and password. It's important to type this information correctly to avoid any login issues. Take your time to ensure all the details you input are correct. If you do happen to forget your password, there's usually an option to reset it, but ideally you want to remember it to keep things simple. Once you've entered your credentials, click on the Sign In button. This will take you to the app's homepage. It's the central hub where you can view all your banking activities and manage your account details. On the homepage, your next move is to navigate to the upper right corner of the screen. Here you'll see an option that says View All. Tapping on this will display a comprehensive list of your accounts and cards associated with your Truist banking profile. It's a helpful feature that offers a quick overview of everything in one place. Now you'll want to find the particular account for which you need the routing number. It's as simple as scrolling through and clicking on the account of your choice. Remember, each account will have its unique details, so make sure you select the correct one. Once you've selected the account, you'll be taken to a detailed view where you can see multiple pieces of information related to that account. Among these details, you should see your routing number prominently displayed. It's usually listed alongside other important information like your account number. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily locate your routing number in the Truist Bank app. Having this number is essential, especially for setting up direct deposits, making wire transfers, and other essential banking activities. It's always a good idea to note this number down somewhere safe or memorize it if that's easier for you. If you find that you ever struggle with this process or have additional questions, Truist's customer support is there to help. They can guide you through any issues with using the app or any concerns you might have about your accounts. Thanks for joining me in this quick tutorial. I hope this guide made finding your routing number easy and straightforward. Until next time, happy banking.